Hello everybody. My name is Kaido Kibin and I'm architect in Flowgrab team, and I would like to introduce you a new community space that we recently released for vCO fans, and this community base is called Flowgrab. Little bit about the background, why we made this this community space. The reason is that probably all, or at least most of VMworld customers have vCenter orchestrator in their premises, running in their vCenter servers, or but we have noticed that majority of those vSphere customers do not even know that. Some of them have heard that there somewhere is tool called vCO or vCenter orchestrator, but what this tool is meant for or how it works, most of them do not know that. And why is that? We believe that the reason why the vCO is not well known is that it's a little bit too complex for the average vSphere administrator, the average vSphere user. And people expect to have content available, but currently there is no common central place to share or to get vCO content. There are pieces around on the internet, but in very different places, and if you start to search around, it's quite hard to find that content. And another reason is that there are no common usable developer-friendly tools around, which makes vCO developers work easier, and which would help to share the content. And we thought that maybe we can change that. So our vision is that there should be commonly known space for publishing vCO content and also for accessing vCO content. And sharing this content, the receiving the content for the vCO users, and uploading and publishing the content for vCO developers should be as easy as you are using apps with your smartphone. So App Store simplicity should be possible also with vCO. And to make developers work easier to provide that content, there should be also developer-friendly tools around, helping them to adopt common development processes during their work, and also friendly, easy tools to publish their creations. And of course, for the community, this place should be free. And that's how Flowgrab.com was created. So it's a web service providing various functionalities for vCO community. First and most important, it provides code repository for vCO packages. So it's place where vCO developers can upload their work, and the vCO packages will be stored in versionable source code format. It's a place to share your workflows and make them available for the community, and community members can find that content there, download it, install it, and use it. For the developers, this place enables collaboration functionalities. You can form development teams which can work together with the same projects. They can share their work. They can upload their creation. And to make interaction easier with that repository, we also recently released REST API, which allows developers to integrate their current processes and tools to that repository. So one way to use this community space is over the web. You can just click around with your browser, but if you want to integrate your existing tools there, you can use REST API and develop your own workspace. Along with REST API, we recently released the vCO plugin for Flowgrab, which allows direct access to the Flowgrab repository directly from the vCO. So you can install vCO plugin and do the searching and downloading and importing packages directly from vCO. You don't need to download vCO packages with browser anymore and manually upload, import them to the vCO, but everything is done with a single easy workflow within the plugin. So you can search for content. The list of content is provided by very simple GUI. You can select projects that you are interested in, select import as task, and this package is automatically downloaded and imported into your vCO, and you can start using it. But this is just a start. This is just the beginning. We have a quite aggressive roadmap for Flowgrab, and already within this year, by the end of current quarter or by the Christmas, we have lots of new functionalities coming. Based on the feedback from community, one of the first functionalities that we are planning to release soon is the content inspection. vCO content is published in the format of packages. Packages are binary format files, and it's quite easy to see what's inside there. And of course, if you are talking about the community and somebody uploads something to the community, then you want, before you actually download and import it to your production environment, you want to make sure what's within it. So, this content inspection functionality allows you to open the vCO packages within the web without downloading it first, and see which workflows, which actions, which configuration items are inside, which scriptable tasks are there, what this package actually does, and how it works. Code repository allows the versioning. So new versions of packages can be uploaded, and of course, if there is new version of some package available, you want to see the differences. what's new in this new version. Of course, developer can provide, when developer uploads the package there, can provide easy description, but usually it's not detailed enough. So developers want to know which workflows have been changed, which actions have been changed, what part of code has been changed. So there will be the functionality allowing you to compare different versions, see the differences at the code level between different vCO package versions. The next new functionality, item level push, pull and versioning, is meant for the developers. So if you have bigger projects containing multiple workflows, multiple actions, then and you have bigger development team, then different developers are working with different parts of your project, and they want to push and pull the changes partially. So if, for example, if project contains two workflows and in the team there is two developers, one developer is working with workflow A and another developer is working with workflow B, this item level, workflow level push-pull allows them to upload their work independently and merge those changes together into a single public version. And of course, if there is item level push and pull, then conflicts can easily come. So there will be functionality to user-friendly functionality to handle those conflicts and merge changes together into single public versions. And this final functionality listed here, called private projects, allows developers to create projects visible only to team members, not to the public. Actually, this functionality is already available, but it's enabled on the request basis. So if somebody is interested in that functionality, we can enable it privately. It's not accessible directly over the UI yet. But there is much more to come. So if you are interested in, take a look to our website, flowgrab.com, the home of vCO workflows. That's all. Thank you.